In a distant future, a lone chrononaut sails through centuries, chasing a rumor of a hidden quantum engine buried beneath ancient Alexandria. He awakens the engine's prototype inside a sunlit library where Da Vinci sketches impossible machines, tilting history. Crossing the Nile, he debates with Cleopatra about destinies and discovers a blueprint that could fuse steam tech with stars, altering empires. A clash with a shadowy syndicate reveals how a single invention can rewrite war and science without readers noticing. He chooses restraint, letting history unfold, yet leaves a whisper of future possibility that lingers like a comet.